Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on the forex market. So just we have stopped our video yesterday when euro currency was calling just in a really tight range, showing some choppy action. The downside action accelerated slightly. So from that standpoint, maybe this is it, guys. Maybe we're getting starting of the bread and butter trade that we discussed, because overall combination of the statistics that we've got this week mostly, well, it is a bit some disturbing factor for economists and for the Fed, I suppose, as well, just because despite all the efforts that Fed has made with the rising interest rate, you do not see the chilling out of the economy mostly, well, at least at the gross domestic product that they have published, and personal consumption expenditures index actually has been released according to with the expectations around 3%. So, and taking in consideration that despite that rate stands around 5%, I mean Fed rate, inflation is not going down significantly, so it still holds at the tight range. So all the stuff stands in favor of the, well, maybe it doesn't mean that Fed keep rising rates or something, but at least it shows a bit stronger economy than everybody were expecting, and it means that maybe indeed rate remains higher for a longer time. Currently, since market starts speculating concerning the first data when the rate could be decreased, currently its anticipation stands around the late spring, so probably Fed should start cutting rate. With the new data that we've got, as on the consumption, as on the gross domestic product, it seems that this date might be postponed, and that supports the dollar in the short term. At the same time, if we take a look at the chart, you could see that, yes, this action looks nice, and in general, on the Great British Pound, we have nice pattern, which is an evening star has been formed here. As on the dollar index, we have mostly similar pattern, even better when this rally yesterday was even stronger than the previous drop down. But on euro currency, still, let's take a look. We do not have yet reversal swing. So yes, drop was more or less significant, but it is not breaking yet the tendency of the high lows and high highs, by the way, as well. So that's why probably we could try to consider taking the short position, but still we need to control this moment, because if market will remain somewhere in this area and start rising once again, so it could mean that well, either bread and butter will start later or just it could not start at all. We will see. That's why on the 4-hour time frame chart, I am still keeping the free drive shape, because by the, well, theoretically it is not broken yet, by the same reason, because market hasn't formed any new low, and actually to appearing of the new low, which might be very important, it's just because in this case we will get bearish reversal swing. Speaking about the possible bread and butter starting, and obviously here we could consider 127 head and shoulders. So if we're correct that indeed this will start, market should not show any upward continuation. It should keep going lower, and supposedly it might be some kind of the 127 head and shoulders pattern. By the way, guys, speaking about the free drive, recall that free drive actually also bearish reversal pattern. And from that standpoint, downside action could start as for the hand shoulders as with the free drive pattern as well. So diversion stands in place that we discussed already. The one moment that I like on this side is just take a look that here we have some downside acceleration. So this is obviously faster action than this one, which is good for potential hand shoulders pattern. On the lower time frame, take a look that market drops precisely to the confluence that we discussed. Here was two targets, OP and XOP, both of them has been completed. Now market is calling around this confluence. 108.80, 108.90. And here, actually, because the upward action was more or less extended, and we're standing for a significant period of time, I don't expect that this will be sharp downside reversal here. Just will break in all the levels to the downside. And from that standpoint, I think that makes sense to wait for some kind of the ABC retracement maybe before downside will continue. And from that standpoint, I think that we could keep an eye on narrow around 109.30, 109.42. Maybe somebody we already have taken short positions, I know from our forum, because we said that if you would like to, you could try based on this butterfly that we discussed previously. That was our XOP. So here we have some theoretical reasons to take some minor part of the position. But those who are waiting for some more clarity, don't be upset that you just have missed this downside action. This action is just starting, and if we're correct, the drop will be somewhere to the 107 area or even below. And due to this upward action that we have for a long period, actually it started in September. Market has not bad upward momentum, so reversal hardly will happen just straightforward and immediately, because we do not have the so strong factors that could trigger this significant drop. So probably here we still will get some pullback, some more extended pattern along the time frame. So if we are correct on this reversal, that's probably hand shoulders might be formed around this area. So let's keep watching. Hopefully the market will give us the confirmation of this bearish pattern that we were watching already for probably for the month maybe, and we will be able to take part in this journey.